Well, it's hot out there. It's up in the mid 30s right now, and of course the high humidity, but I've got a refreshing bowl of chilled cucumber and yogurt soup here, and this just takes the bite right out of summer. It's so easy to whip up. It's like a minute and a half in the kitchen and you're done. No cooking, no heat, just nice coolness. Throw this in the fridge and let it chill even a bit more, and then you've got something that really refreshes you. So let's go in the kitchen and make some of this right now. Well, to make our chilled cucumber and yogurt soup, we don't need much more than cucumbers and yogurt. What we have here is 1 pound or 450 grams of cucumber, just kind of chopped up. It doesn't really matter the size, just smaller pieces, easier to blend. And here's 1.5 cups of plain yogurt, 1 clove of garlic crushed, 2 teaspoons of dried dillweed, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and then we have here 1 cup of water. We may or may not use all this. What we're going to do is just kind of use it to adjust the consistency, and it really depends on how much water there is in your cucumbers. So let's blend it up. First of all, let's get the cucumbers into our blender. And, oops, one left behind. There we go. All right, we got the cucumbers in there. We're going to put the yogurt in, so that might need a little help. So I get my little spatula here. It's looking good. All right, and then we're just going to add in the garlic and the let's get rid of that, the dillweed, the pepper, the salt, and I'm going to hold off on the water right now just to see what kind of consistency we have. So what we're going to do is slowly bring this up. We don't need to zap it up and have this spraying all over the place. So slowly bring up the speed and then bring it up to where we puree this. All right, that's been just a little under a minute of pureeing. So let's check the consistency. Well, that looks quite nice. I'd say instead of putting a whole cup in there, I'm going to put about a cup in, or 1/2 cup in. So let's put about 1/2 cup of water in there. Yeah, and about there's good enough. Zap it up some more, just enough to mix it together. Now you can skip the water if you want it a little bit thicker. I just find for a summer soup, a little bit of a thinner soup is just a little bit more refreshing. But sometimes it's nice to have a big, thick, hearty soup too. All right, let's pour some out into a bowl. Look at that. Green goodness. And now, yeah, that's just a super refreshing. Now to make it more refreshing, what I'm going to do now is put this, just put it back in the blender, put the whole blender in the refrigerator and chill it for about 1/2 hour. We're going to get this good and cold and then serve it up that way. And the nice thing to do is when you go to serve it up is just maybe if you want a little color on there, sprinkle a little paprika on top or something, and boom, just a little in the center and you got a little extra color. Looks really nice. Serve it up. Nice, refreshing summer soup. Enjoy chilled cucumber and yogurt soup. Now, if you go to the link appearing on the screen, you can get the free printable recipe for chilled cucumber and yogurt soup on our website. So go print out the recipe, have fun making and eating this refreshing summer soup, and make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.